So we all are the way we are, based on our accumulated life's experiences of both pleasure and joy and happiness, but also pain, hurt, and suffering. All of our conditioning and programming and cultural, parental, and societal conditioning and programming. Okay? So the reason why I'm saying this is because when people act the way that we don't want or like them to behave, often we feel hurt and upset, and often we also suffer emotionally. What happens is a lot of our suffering and pain and hurt is actually not coming from the other person. It's actually coming from our accumulation of past experiences of programming, like conditioned and programmed beliefs, indoctrination. It's an accumulation, and the end result is the feeling and the belief of they shouldn't be that way. We don't even think it consciously. It's a feeling, but sometimes we say it. It's they shouldn't be that way. Why are they like that? Like why are they doing this? Like they should be different. They should know better. They shouldn't be the way they are. So all of this brings resistance, and resistance is like a collision, like two opposing forces meeting with a big, like when a train pulls on the brakes, there's resistance, and you see a whole lot of sparks, and the big carriages all like sparking and dragging along the ground. So it's resistance that coincides with a closed and hard heart, along with the hurt. Okay, so it's the resistance. Now, the opposite of resistance is being aware of what I'm mentioning, and that brings a sense of relief. That brings a sense of peace, and the feeling and the idea that yes, they should be the way they are, and we are more likely to be able to accept and love unconditionally the way they are. And it brings us peace and an open heart. So it doesn't mean we have to condone or put up with a behavior that's destructive to us or to anybody. But what it does mean is we don't tackle it with resistance and fight it and create much more pain, hurt, and suffering. What it means is we're much more centered, balanced, grounded, and aware, and in our heart all at the same time. And our response will be far more positive and yield positive and productive, going forward, progressive results that are much more unifying and healing for everybody, for the collective humanity, for everyone, for our family, for our friendship, for everybody involved and co-involved in our life. So, hey Cheryl. So everybody, this is a very, very important, deep matter, and I hope I've synopsized it clearly and simply enough. And practice this in your life, okay? And practice it in your body language and in your tone of voice towards the other person especially, and also your ability to be quiet and listen to the hurt, pain, and suffering, and the desires and wishes of another person, what they would like or what they want. So there are your three practices. Practice your body language, your tone of voice, and how much you can actually listen without interfering or explaining or justifying or correcting the other person. So be quiet and listen deeply. So that's it. Body language, tone of voice, and how much you can listen in silence and tune in to the other person, and with acceptance. And I'm telling you, you will truly change your own emotional field, because that's where it all begins. And your mental processes, your awareness, and then you're absolutely going to change your whole life and relationships pretty fast. But you will slip back into old automatic reactions, but you will get much better with practice, because everything is a practice. And this is awesome. So this is really good news. So have a lovely day, and thank you for watching, and many blessings. One love, one family. So don't forget to share. Please do share this message with your friends or family, and give it a like, and leave your comments or your input, and also subscribe and hit the bell button to my YouTube channel, because this is a live video, but I'll also upload it later. So thank you. And check out my playlists on my wall. I have relationship playlists, self-awareness, health and raw food, cleansing and detoxing playlist that I put together as a free gift for everybody, my friends, as well as a herb, because I have a herb store. So check out my description as well below. There's free gifts and discounts and special offers, as well as my consultations and this, that, and the other. So have a look below and connect, and you can friend me on social media too while you're at it. This is fantastic. Have a great day.